Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and shielding gas. This prevents equipment damage and contamination. Once power is secured, attach a clean gas regulator and purge hoses to remove air. Make sure to clamp a clean, secure ground to the workpiece to avoid stray currents. You should don a respirator and gloves and keep the torch and filler rod free of oil or fingerprints. Contamination ruins titanium welds. Begin with small tacks to align parts, because precise fit-up controls heat input and prevents warping. You now configure the MIG. Choose wire diameter for the plate thickness and set feed speed and voltage from the chart. This balances penetration versus burn-through. Once set, establish a stable gas flow and keep the nozzle shielded from drafts. Use a short arc and push technique to create a convex bead that minimizes porosity. Maintain 60-75% contact tip extension so feed is reliable. Make short stitch welds and allow brief cool intervals to control color and prevent You finish by purging the weld with argon until the part cools to prevent oxidation. Larger parts need longer purge times. Once cooled, clean only with a dedicated stainless brush. Then inspect bead color. Silvery indicates success, brown or gray shows contamination. If you see porosity, wire burn back, or unstable arc, first check gas flow rate and nozzle condition, then verify contact tip distance and that wire and filler are oil-free. Adjust heat or travel speed and re-weld test coupons before final passes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.